provides enough to satisfy every man's need, but not every man's greed. Hello friends, hope you would have understood about whom we are going to talk today. Yes, our Bapu. He used to walk with great pride, holding sticks and wearing glasses. He gave 2 such weapons to the whole world, from which the biggest enemy can be defeated, and that weapon is none other than truth and non-violence. Gandhi is not just a name, but an ideology, a way of life. Because of this, Bapu has been considered as a source of inspiration, not only in India, but in the whole world. Hence, today I am going to share with you how we can use his ideas in the world of investment. Great men like Nelson Mandela, Martin Luther King, John Lennon, Albert Einstein have taken inspiration from Gandhiji. His teaching and his ideology are alive even after him today. The life of Mahatma Gandhi is full of such examples which are the hallmark of his strong character. His confidence, determination, unwavering courage, and indomitable endurance led him to his goal, and that is freedom. Today we are going to talk about how Gandhiji's thought affects our everyday life. We will talk about how Gandhiji's ideas can help in investment in this economic world. There are many lessons from the financial world which is hidden in Gandhiji's life. We can learn many such valuable lessons from his life which can help us to face the ups and downs of financial life. So, to know about those ideas, have patience and watch the video till the end. So, let us discuss his thoughts. First thought, think about tomorrow. One of the most popular saying of Mahatma Gandhi is, your future depends on what you do today. This is one of the biggest learning in the world of investment. Very common mistake which we do related to investment is, we don't think for tomorrow and spend only on today. But it is important that we adopt financial discipline for ourselves. Save for tomorrow. Hence, try to avoid this mistake. His second thought, maintain balance in life. Mahatma Gandhi used to give great importance to restraint and patience in life. This thing is very important in the world of investment. Patience and stability are necessary in the mind of investor. If you want to earn money in a hurry, then this can prove to be a big mistake of your life. Hence, we can take a lesson that it is important to maintain a balance of risk in life. So, be patient and keep checking your investments from time to time. His third thought is, it is important to have faith in yourself. Mahatma Gandhi had faith in his decision. Even though the path shown by him took time, but success was achieved. fearing the circumstances or failure, his feet never bent back. He tried again with double the power. Hence, from this we can learn is we should have faith in our investment. Do not take any action by panicking about the volatility of the market. Keep doing. It is important that your faith remains in the decision taken towards your goal. Fourth thought: small steps will give big success. Mahatma Gandhi had an unwavering belief that the importance of small effort is very high for achieving great success. Today, they may be ignored, but in the coming tomorrow, they prepare a strong foundation for your success. So from this, if you look from the point of view of investment, we can learn that it is better to start early. So over a time, a monthly saving of even rupees 500 can give you lakhs of benefits after many years. And most important idea, that is the fifth idea, is the importance of discipline. Gandhiji has laid the highest emphasis on discipline among all the virtues in his life. He used to put a lot of emphasis on patience as well as on time. That is why discipline is very important in investment also. You can also take wrong decision by getting carried away by emotions. Greed is a very bad force which can drown good people. So these were the Gandhiji's thoughts which are very effective in the world of investment too. So hope you like this video. Please share your views by commenting. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do it. Like, share, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Last but not the least, there is no knowledge without curiosity. There is no happiness without sorrow. So keep learning, keep trying. Bye bye. Thanks for watching my video.